guys, I'm back at it with another video. So today we're going to do a sway bar install on the IS350, the front and rear. Just got done helping my brother-in-law do his wrap. Looks pretty clean. It's a little 250. The hood's dirty right now, that's why it looks all weird, but hey, it doesn't look too bad. It came out pretty clean. But yeah guys, we're going to get started on the sway bar install. I'll show you guys how to get that done. Alright guys, so I got the sway bars right here. I'm gonna unbox them right now and show you guys what they look like. I got the sway bars unboxed. So they come with the bushings, the brackets, and you know, the bushings for the front. So this is the front and this is the rear. So OEM for rear-wheel drive cars, the millimeters, like the thickness on the bar for the rear is 15 and this one's 19. So it's like 4 millimeters thicker, which is good because, you know, it stiffens it up better. And one thing that I do like about the Omega and Racing sway bars is that they have adjustable position. So if you want to make it softer, you can make it softer. If you want to make it stiffer, you can make it stiffer. So from my understanding, don't quote me on this, the first one right here makes it softer, but the one in makes it stiffer. I'm not sure if that's true, but that's what I've been told. And for the front, stock is 27 millimeters and this one is 30, so like 3 millimeters bigger. So what a lot of people do is they get the F Sport sway bar for the rear, but they don't do the F Sport for the front, because F Sport is only 28. I think it's like 28.5 or 0.7. So a lot of people don't really see a big difference from the front. I'm gonna go into the car and show you guys how to take apart the rear. All right, so basically it's a 17 right here and both of these right here are 12s. So you loosen these up or just take these off, take this off, and then the same thing on the other side, these two and the one over there. All right guys, so one thing you guys do have to do to take this off, so when you're loosening it up, you could probably break it loose, but once you start loosening it up, it just starts to spin the ball joint. So you need an Allen key to, it goes in here to keep it in place, and then you can loosen this up no problem. So I'm using a 7/16, but you can use whatever size is the correct one. I'm not sure what it is. All right guys, so I got the stock sway bar off, and I just wanted to show you guys, look, side by side. You can tell it's way thicker. And yeah, so yeah, I did find out this setting is the stiffer setting. This is softer, so no matter what, this is gonna be stiff because of the thickness. But if you want it to be a little softer, put it on this setting. If you want it to be more stiffer, put it on this setting. And yeah, so the bushings, they just go on, they open up, so you're fine with that. And then yeah, just basically repeat what we just did, but do it in reverse. All right guys, so we're done with the rear. Everything's tightened up, put into place, good to go. We're gonna move on to the front and I'll show you guys how to do that right now. All right guys, so for the front sway bar, we gotta take off all these nuts right here. I'm gonna use my drill, and I do have a zip tied right here, so I'm just gonna cut these. If you have the rest of your splash guard, you have to take off whatever's right here, but as of, you know, my situation, we just gotta take off this. Okay, so I finally got the splash guard out. So as you can see, similar to the rear, we just have to take these two out. These are 14 millimeters. And then right here, this is a 17. So same thing on the other side, 17, 14. And then the front sway bar should come off. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that and then yeah, show you guys side by side again. So just give me a second. So I finally got the front off. So the OEM one is 27.2 actually. The Megan is 30 millimeters and the F Sport is 28.6. So this one's 2.8 millimeters thicker than the F Sport, or than the stock I mean, and the F Sport is only 1.6 millimeters thicker. So that's probably why a lot of people don't do it, because it's not that big of a difference. Even going from this one to this one, it's not that big of a difference, but it is thicker than the F Sport. So I believe it is going to be more stiffer than the F Sport. So I feel like we will feel it. And you know, after I install everything, I'll go for a drive and I'll let you guys know how everything feels. And again, don't forget guys, like I said, the one closer to the bar, this setting is stiffer. the one further away is to make it a little softer. So yeah, do what you guys want with that information. I'm gonna install the front one now, and I'll show you guys how it looks once it's done. All right, so to make things easier, so mine came off with the whole bracket already. So here, let me just show you guys what I did. So just pull this off, and because I didn't show you guys how to do the rear, and basically you're gonna want to put this opens up. I can't do it with one hand. Oh, there we go. So you put it on like this, make sure it's the same way, grab this and just push it, or hold on. So yeah, so just to make things easier, that way I already did that side, but that's how you do the rear, just to make yeah, a little easier. We finally finished the front, so as you can tell, it looks pretty good. So one thing I did notice is just a little gap right there, but I think that's normal. I wasn't really paying attention when I took off the other one, but I'm pretty sure, I mean, it's not gonna do anything. It's tight regardless. But yeah guys, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go for a drive right now. Just gotta put everything back, and I'll let you guys know how it feels. Oh yeah, and those are my pulleys. Yes sir. So it is nighttime. I did take too long installing the sway bars. I also put a front bumper on, but you're not gonna be able to see it right now because it's nighttime. I'll probably show you guys in another video. But I'm at Chick-fil-A. I'm getting food for me and my girlfriend. But I'll give you guys a video reaction with my dash cam. I'm gonna try to hit the back. There's no back, I mean, there is a back road, but that's like going down the hill, and I don't have time to do that right now. So I'm gonna take like this mini back roadway. It's not really a back road, it's just there's a lot of curves and stuff and hills. But yeah, so I'm gonna shoot you guys the clip, and let me know what you guys think. All right guys, that's it for today's video. I did want to do some back road videos, but it's too late, it's nighttime. So I'll make another video testing out the car, doing back roads, taking corners fast. Until next time, thank you guys for watching the videos. I appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like the video, like it. I appreciate you guys. Peace.